Hello everyone, welcome to Roblox Studio Custom Character Animation with Mixamo, complete course. In this tutorial series, we're going to build a full custom animated character system in Roblox Studio using Mixamo characters and animations. By the end of this course, you'll learn how to import custom Mixamo characters, replace Roblox default characters, create movement systems, and control multiple animations like idle, walk, run, and more. This course is designed for Roblox developers who want to go beyond default Roblox avatars and create professional custom animated characters. Instead of relying on Roblox humanoid animations, we'll build our own animation workflow using custom rigs, animation controller, animator, and Mixamo FBX animation files. First, let's take a quick look at Mixamo. Mixamo allows us to download fully rigged characters and animation clips such as idle, walking, running, jumping, and many more. In this course, we'll use Mixamo as the source for our character models and animation assets. Now inside Roblox Studio, here is our imported custom character. This character uses a custom Mixamo skinned mesh, animation controller, animator, and multiple imported animation clips. Unlike Roblox R15 characters, this setup gives us complete freedom to create unique animated characters. Let me show you the final result we'll build in this course. Here you can see the character playing idle animation while standing still, smoothly transitioning into walk animation when moving, and fully controlled with a custom movement system. Everything here is powered by Mixamo animations integrated into Roblox Studio. In the next lessons, we'll cover importing Mixamo characters into Roblox, preparing custom rigs, replacing player characters, building movement scripts, creating idle and walk animation systems. If you're ready to create professional custom animated Roblox characters, let's begin. In part 1, we'll start by importing our Mixamo character into Roblox Studio.